estimates the difference of two numbers with 3 to 4 digits with reasonable results. What I know. Estimate the difference to the nearest hundreds. 1. 462 minus 231. 2. 673 minus 321. 3. 563 minus 211. 4. 871 minus 234. 5. 694 minus 321. Can you still remember how to subtract 3 to 4 digit numbers from 3 to 4 digit numbers? When subtracting numbers, align the digits according to their place values. Start subtracting from ones place, then tens and so on up to the digits in the highest place value. Regroup whenever the digit in the minuend is less than the digit in the subtrahend. Activity 1. Subtract the following. 1. 8,537 minus 3,154. 2. 7,642 minus 4,321. 3. 9,752 minus 3,863. 4. 6,430 minus 551. 5. 762 minus 673. What's new? Do you remember your previous lesson on estimating the sum? We know that a certain problem is about estimating when the following keywords appear: about, estimate and approximately. The process on estimating the difference is the same process on estimating the sum. The process differs only on the operation being used. In estimating sums, we follow the steps below. Step 1. Round off the addends to the common greatest place value. Step 2. Add the rounded off numbers. This time, to estimate the difference, let us follow same steps but change the operation in step 2 from add to subtract. Can you do that? Activity 2. 1. Estimate the difference between 9,055 and 2,945. 2. Estimate the difference between 1,795 and 392. To find the estimated difference, follow the example below. Example: estimate the difference between 2,786 and 515. Step 1. Round off each number to its common greatest place value. 2,786 will be round off to 2,800. 515 will be round off to 500. Step 2. Perform the subtraction operation. 2,800 minus 500 equals 2,300. Sometimes, rounding off to the next lower place value gives a better estimate. Estimating the difference by rounding off to the highest possible place value. 6,764 rounds off to 7,000. 3,867 rounds off to 4,000. 7,000 minus 4,000 equals 3,000. Estimating the difference by rounding off to the next lower place value. 6,764 rounds off to 6,800. 3,867 rounds off to 3,900. 6,800 minus 3,900 equals 2,900. Let's find the actual difference. 6,764 minus 3,867 equals 2,897. Notice that 2,900, which is rounded off to the hundreds place, is the nearest to the actual difference, 2,897. Sometimes, rounding off to the next lower place value gives a better estimate. What's more? Activity 3. Estimate the difference. Estimate the difference to the next lower place value. 1. 5,322 minus 3,421. 2. 4,621 minus 231. 3. 8,214 minus 3,215. 4. 7,312 minus 4,514. 5. 8,913 minus 2,111. What I have learned. To estimate the difference of two numbers. Step 1. Round off each number to their common greatest place value. Step 2. Subtract the rounded off numbers. What I can do. Activity 4. Estimate the difference. 1. 5,200 minus 3,900. 2. 5,845 minus 589. 3. 7,806 minus 657. 4. 791 minus 743. Assessment. Multiple choice. Choose the letter of the correct answer. 1. What is the estimated difference of 5,556 and 428? A. 5,100. B. 5,000. C. 4,200. D. 5,200. 2. Which of the following shows the estimated difference of 4,567 and 2,156? A. 1,000. B. 2,000. C. 3,000. D. 4,000. 3. Which of the following gives an estimate of 2,000? A. 8,125 minus 5,689. B. 8,756 minus 6,250. C. 9,456 minus 7,545. D. 9,555 minus 6,975. 4. Liza bought a second-hand laptop that costs 9,740 pesos. She used the money from her savings of 9,900 pesos. About how much was left from Liza's savings? 5. Janina travels 2,447 meters from her house to the park. As she goes back home, she walks 382 meters to reach and stop at a store. Approximately, how far will Janina have to travel to reach back home?